Welcome back. Wow your friends and family with a sweet sip that packs a punch and uses a classic candy for inspiration. Savvy Soiree mixologist Jeni Yelton shows us how to mix up a Butterfinger shot.
One of the things that I've been doing during this isolation is getting together with my friends via video chat and making some shots together. And so I'll put together an actual little shot package with a shot glass and the liqueurs that we're going to be using for our shots and drop it off on their doorstep so that they can participate in a shot with us together. So the one I'm going to make today is called the Butterfinger, and it actually tastes like the candy at Butterfinger bar. It has 4 very simple ingredients, things you probably already have at home. So it has Kahlua, or any coffee liqueur will work, Irish cream. Now, most people think of Bailey's when they think of Irish cream, but there's actually a couple of different local Irish creams that are available that are great to use. Vanilla vodka, or in this case, you know I'm a rum girl, so I'm gonna stick with vanilla rum, and butterscotch, which is actually a butterscotch schnapps. So we're going to take, it's equal parts, so all 4 of these liqueurs. So we're gonna take a 1/2 ounce of vanilla, a 1/2 ounce of Kahlua, and then a 1/2 ounce of the butterscotch and put it in our shaker. Now you'll notice that I did not put any of the cream in the shaker. Here's the secret. If you put cream in a shaker and start to shake it, it actually starts to curdle. So the best way to avoid that is to put your Irish cream in the shot glass ahead of time. So I'm gonna shake it with a smile, and then I'm gonna add it directly to the Irish cream that's already there. And when you take that and you take the shot, it tastes just like a Butterfinger bar. Something you can do with your friends in isolation, in video chat, that's fun, and it tastes good, like a little bit of candy. Enjoy!
And if you want to get really fancy, add a little heated up chocolate to the outside of that glass, and why not keep a Butterfinger nearby for a truly sweet treat.